In this unit, we've been talking about circles, and so today we're going to look at circles on the coordinate plane, okay, so on an actual x and y axis. Now this is the standard equation for a circle, so I want you to set up your notes so that you have it written on both sides. And what we're going to do is, over here, this is going to be the equation we're going to use for when we have a circle not centered at 0, 0. And so anytime you have a circle not centered at 0, 0, that's going to be the equation we're going to use. And it's very easy to just look at this and see what the center is. We're just going to focus on this left-hand side for just a minute. Whatever this h value is the x coordinate of your center, and whatever this k value is here is the y coordinate of the center of your circle, meaning we're going to have a circle, and that will be the point that is plotted on the x and y axis on the coordinate plane for this circle. Notice it's almost like it's opposite sign. If you see subtraction in here, it's a positive h that we're going to plot. If you see subtraction, it's a positive k value, okay? It'll make more sense when we start doing some examples, but just know that it's almost like it has opposite signs. Now, r here represents the radius. In the equation, your radius is being squared. So what you have to do is to take it out of the equation, you have to think about taking the square root of whatever this value is here, so that just r represents your radius, okay? R represents the radius, but in the equation, that has been squared, all right? So that's the information we're going to be looking at. All right, so how will this change then if we are centered at 0, 0? Well, if we know that we are centered at the origin, okay, then our h is 0 and our k is 0. And so if I plug those in, it's just going to simplify my equation a little bit. Okay, what is x minus nothing? Well, it's just x squared. What is y minus nothing? Y take away nothing. It's just y. And then I would still have my radius squared over there, okay? So this equation's a little simpler. All right, we can use this one for when we're centered at the origin, and then we will use the more main one for when we are not centered at 0, 0.